In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the PHP version in WordPress with Nexcess Hosting. It's a crucial task because ensuring that your website runs on the latest PHP version can greatly enhance its security and performance. Let's dive right in. First, we need to log into our Nexcess client portal. Begin by heading over to nexcess.net and entering your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard, a centralized hub for managing your hosting services with Nexcess. Next, you want to locate your website within the portal. Click on Open Site Dashboard, which will show you all the websites linked to your account. From there, select the specific WordPress site where you want to update the PHP. This action will open the site dashboard, a space where you handle various settings and details of your hosting services. Now let's get to the PHP settings themselves. On your site dashboard, look for the option labeled PHP Settings. This menu allows you to manage the configurations for PHP, the scripting language that powers WordPress. Click on this option and explore your current PHP settings. Here, you'll see a list of PHP versions. The recommended versions to opt for are either 8.1 or 8.2, as these are the most recent stable releases. Choose one of these versions to keep your WordPress site optimized. After selecting your preferred version, click on Select New PHP Version to confirm your choice. Once you've chosen, it's time to apply these changes. Click on Apply Changes and watch as Nexcess implements your new PHP settings automatically. The process can take a little time, so be patient while it updates. After the PHP version has been successfully updated in the Nexcess portal, it's essential to verify this change within your WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress admin account, navigate to the Tools menu, then click on Site Health, proceed to Info, find Server, and check the PHP version displayed. It should now match the version you've just selected. For those who are comfortable with a bit more technical work, you can optionally create a phpinfo.php file in the root directory of your site. This step involves adding a specific PHP snippet to a new file. But remember, this step is more advanced and optional. Lastly, after updating your PHP version, it is critical to test your WordPress site thoroughly. Ensure all themes and plugins are functioning correctly with the new PHP version. This testing phase is key to ensuring everything runs smoothly without disruptions or conflicts in functionality. And there you have it. You've updated your PHP version using Nexcess Hosting. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but following these steps will help maintain a secure, high-performing WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy updating!